there for petitioner, my lord. The Kannada examination on going to 5th, my lord. UPSC going to be conduct, my lord. Therefore, I have moved the matter because I have not received any information relating to the examination.
ಏನಿದು?
ತಾವೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, some page number 48.
48.
Yes. Typed copy is 49.
48. Entry matter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Directing the UPSC permit him to attend the examination.
ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ
copy is not served, my lord. Nothing is there in the petition.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
If it is with regard to translation errors, the next matter is another matter, my lord, sir.
ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್
7, just check one. We are in 7.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಎರರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು.
In serial number 7, my lords, it is one petitioner who was also, my lords, the original applicant, my lords, before the Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal. So since it's one petitioner, it should not be a problem. But I just wanted to put it out, my lords, on Friday, the main examination is scheduled to be held. My lords, I am told that today morning also there was a lot of mentionings, my lords, for the matters to be taken up tomorrow. My lords, it is 5, we have total 7 papers, my lords, and each paper, my lords, is printed, my lords, with the question paper and the answer sheet, which is a combination paper, along with the barcodes. So today, my lords, insofar as serial number 7, my lords, one applicant is concerned, we'll have some additional answer scripts. It should not be a problem. That can be allowed, my lords. Serial number 6, if it is the same thing, we just have to verify whether they were original applicants, my lords.
Original applicant. Before that.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Impugned orders are the same.
ಅಲ್ಲ, but
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೇವಲ್ಲ,
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದು ಅಥವಾ it would be convenient either way, my lords. This matter is taken up tomorrow or that matter is taken up today.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು.
Please, my lords.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Lords, I am told we have some extra sets also available, but it all depends on the number of people. Because originally we had around 94 petitioners, applicants. But our worry is that now other than those, they will try to maybe.
Other than those ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಯಾರು ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಇವ್ರ ಮುಂದಿದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
No, they could now directly approach this honorable.
No, directly ನಾವೇ.
It is not maintainable. I understand, lords, but if they join with the other people and by oversight, that's what we wanted to verify the details.
ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
Clarify ಮಾಡಿ. Lords, what we can do.
6 7 ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವರು, ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ.
Just
ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕರು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ?
Lords, I can verify it right now. I'll do it right now. Instead of password, I'll do it right now.
ಏನ್ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
Not that, my lords. How many petitioners? Because it is only one petitioner. Both are serial number 6 is one petitioner and 7 is one petitioner.
ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
Only one applicant, man.
They were both 6 and 7.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು? 12763.
Yes. He is at page number, my lord.
6 paper. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರು?
618.
All applicants, aspirants.
But he is Anil Kumar H. He was the original applicant, my lords. I just verified.
At page number 26, your lords.
26.
House.
Fourth
petition, fourth applicant before the Karnataka administration.
Though 6 and 7, since single applicants are there, my lords, now we have so many. I don't know how many people have moved it for tomorrow. We can verify that, my lords. And
ಪಹಲ್ಗಾಮ್ ಇದಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 2 minutes ಮೌರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Mouring alone will not be sufficient, but at least that much we should do.
law.